All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.69. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Chris here. Welcome on a Sunday. How's everybody doing? Sundays, a little quiet. Yeah, a little quiet on a Sunday. Let me just adjust that screen. There we go. What's going on with Doge? 24-cent Doge. Yeah. We had this great news on Friday night, and well, that was the problem, right? It was late Friday night when the news came out, and that's like the worst time. That's the worst time of the week to come out with news. It's Friday night. Nobody's covering it. Nobody's covering it. Of course, I make my video Saturday morning, and I'm just like, let's go. Nothing. So why isn't Doge soaring? What's going on? Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Dogecoin teases big PR statement about a game-changing partnership. And you would think, wow, that's huge news. Well, here's the thing. That word teases just kind of gets me, because it's like, we're so close. It's like, come on, we're so close. We need the news. Like I've been saying with Dogecoin, Dogecoin is not going to trade on hype. We need the real news. Teasing, not going to do it. It's just not going to do it. On top of that, we had the big Bybit hack with ETH and the North Koreans or whoever. And then there's this thing that's like, leading report says that the Biden administration and the U.S. Marshal Service cannot account for billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, leading to speculation that it has been stolen. And it's just like, and I say, oh, it seems like we have the next week's FUD to keep crypto markets further suppressed. Like all that Silk Road Bitcoin was supposed to be the Bitcoin strategic reserve, right? Well, is it still there? Is some of it? Is all of it? What's going on there? It's like, man, just one thing after another. And then this guy Vivek says, to Dave Ramsey, it's like how to invest your money. Mutual funds and real estate, and he just writes over it, buy Bitcoin, which was great. But then I took it and I said, well, buy Bitcoin and Dogecoin, right? And Dogecoin, because you got to have Dogecoin in your portfolio. You got to have Doge. It's just one of those things. Got to have Doge. So I know you guys have Doge. I've got Doge. Am I buying again? Not yet. Next week, I start my buying again. Next week. So, I'm ready to go. 24.1? Not a great price. But for buying, I'll take it. I'll buy some at 24 cents. Sure. Dogecoin. Price enters boring phase, and this is it, right? I know a lot of it's just why isn't Dogecoin moving? Oh, it's so boring. Yep, this is the time. Weak people get shaken out. Dogecoin does this again and again and again, and people get all like upset. It's like why isn't Dogecoin soaring? Why isn't Dogecoin mooning? It's like the whole crypto market is kind of going sideways again. We're in another one of those zones where you just got to wait it out because it's not moving. It's not moving right now. There's a lot of uncertainty about the economy still and inflation and all that. And some believe too, without stimulus checks, there's not all this extra money to buy alts. Although Ethereum does seem to be waking up a little bit. But yeah, Doge in this boring phase. It's done it before. And particularly, Trader Allen says, look, same thing happened in 2017. Almost the same exact kind of pattern we have now from the November run, and then just kind of trading down since then. We had that back here. 2017 had a big run, traded down. That pattern is almost exactly the same. So is this what's next? Is the next big run? Is that really coming? Dogecoin follows history, follows it a lot. 4-year cycles. Now 2021 was a little bit different. We didn't get that second run for Doge because Dogecoin got too overhyped with all that Elon Musk stuff. So when Doge went on its second run, there October, November of 2021, it didn't go higher than 73 cents like we see with Bitcoin. And that's what I would have expected to have seen here. And that didn't happen. We were all waiting, Doge's going to go on another run. It's going to go to $1. Nope, it got to 35 cents and then bear market. I fully expect Dogecoin to go on another run and then bear market, except I just don't think it's tomorrow. So we're consolidating. We're going sideways. And you today says, oh no, Dogecoin faces a death cross. Yet again, we have another death cross. No, we don't. There's no death cross. Get this one. In Doge's case, it's a 23-day moving average. Who the heck uses a 23-day moving average? No, it's the 50. It's always the 50 and the 200, not a 23-day moving average. 23, nobody uses that. Just like, But last week we did show what the death cross is, how it works, all of that. And it's really just an indicator of how it is traded, not what's going to happen in the future. It has absolutely no bearing on what's going to happen in the future. Stupid death crosses. So, final retest. Is this a final retest? Are we at that final retest state right now? And is there going to be a bullish breakout? Well, the news is certainly pointing to it. Tim Stebbing says, well, now March. We covered all of that in my yesterday video. If you didn't see the House of Doge and the Dogecoin Foundation and what we think is such pay integrated and used by, we don't know yet. The legal people won't let Tim say. So what is there to wait for? Just let's go. Dotting the I's, crossing the T, whatever. Patience, we can wait. We can wait a little bit more. Yes, and it's more teases. Exactly, A-Star. It's more teases. And so Dogecoin is not, its price is not going to take off in the way the market is right now. The stock market is a little iffy, and so is the crypto market. Of course, that doesn't stop liquidations from happening. And so here was Bitcoin's earlier today, sort of a double drop, taking out, again, millions of dollars of leverage trading. But look at this. We've got these big shorts up here, 96.2 all the way up to 96.4. Let's go get those shorts, huh? Let's go do that. Let's go do that now. Green candle on the KrissPax Live. Kriss likes that. Kriss likes that. And here's Trader Allen, our friend, saying, look, Dogecoin may have completed the recovery phase. A markup phase is coming. We may have done the recovery phase and that it's markup time. Similar to 2021, similar back to 2017. 4-year cycles. Here we go again. Is that coming? Some people, and I read it in the comments. I read it in the comments, frustrated with Dogecoin. And of course, there's some who have already sold. And there's even some who say they never ever bought Dogecoin. I mean, what are they doing in my comments on my YouTubes? What are they doing in there? It's like, why would, if you have never held Dogecoin, why would you be watching my video about why I think Dogecoin is about to really take off? And the whole thing about the House of Doge and the Dogecoin Foundation. Strange, but there we go. They need something to hate on. Trolling and hating, attention seekers. A lot of places you can go, but I guess, yeah, pick on the Doge guy. Sure. Pick on the Doge guy. I don't care if it's a green candle. Sorry, I just want it to see it all-time high. That'd be good. Good afternoon, sunshine. Yes, the check marks turn color. Your check marks turn color. And 1 Doge equals 1 Doge, which was our Friday live stream. I know, let's get those shorts, huh? When are we buying our community Doge miner? Who said it was a community Doge miner? Wait. Are we getting a community Doge miner? Is that what we're going to do? We're all going to like chip in some Doge together for a Doge miner? Maybe. Got a nice space here to run it. Sheep had the death cross. Yes. Bruce. It got us to click on the article. Stupid death cross. You use a 23-second theory. Yes, it's the market makers, T. We talk about that all the time. We look at the liquidation heat maps and we go, okay, this is where the price is going next. We figure it out all on the heat maps. So that's what happens. March will be good for Dogecoin, Jason. I agree. And that's when Tim Stebbing is going to be talking about the House of Doge. Who is in the House of Doge? That's going to be a good one. Who is in the House of Doge? Are they big names? Or is this like a B list? I don't know. Let's be epic, though. Oh, if it moons on live stream, that would be awesome. I would love it. Just not going to happen right now. Happy Sunday, Greg. How are you? We are going to have another Dogecoin giveaway today on a Sunday. What would a KrissPax live stream be without giving away some Doge? We're going to do that again today. Where's the cat drawing? I was like, you know, should we do another cat drawing? Should we do another cat drawing? And it's like not really working out. This was our cat drawing we had here on Friday. And I drew the tail and Dogecoin outperformed the tail. Look at that. Not bad. That wasn't bad. And I'm just like, oh no, do we got to do another one? Doesn't quite have the same pattern though. Not quite the same pattern. So no cat drawing today. But yeah, we might not hold 24 cents here. This is looking pretty weak right now. It's looking pretty weak. Bitcoin 95.7. Yeah, Bitcoin's holding up a little bit. I can't keep stretching this line over for Bitcoin. It's at 96K, and it just Keeps playing with it. Everything's in the red except ETH and Litecoin on my watch list. Everything else is red. Doge is down today. Harry would love to see it moon on a live stream. Patient since 2021. I know, Adam. Let's do this. But A-star. No. Doesn't look like a bear market yet. It's a pullback during a bull market. They happen every time. We show it time and time again. Ali says March 30 cent Doge, 30 cents in March. On Saturday, I'm doing my March price prediction video. We'll look forward to March. We'll see if there's any news from the Dogecoin Foundation or the House of Doge this week. Before I make that video. Hey, Victor, I'm doing great. How are you? I'm doing great. Hey, Adam. Victor reminds everyone to like and subscribe. Appreciate that. We're like nowhere near doing a Dogecoin giveaway with only 37 likes. It's just not going to happen. Not going to happen. Aped in big to Doge last month on the mining side. But $200,000 in L9 miners. Wow, Tad. Good luck with all of that mining. Blake says, I was thinking we'd be $1 by now. I wasn't saying $1 yet. That's still a ways off. You ready for the Doge mining video? I'm living in the house of Doge. Dogecoin did help pay for the house. That it did. That it did. You're thinking big names, Weather Girl? House of Doge? Hey, Darren, how are you? Thanks. Yep. Got a fireplace in my office here. It's a pretty decent house. We are having fun with it. There's a lot of unpacking to do, a lot of arranging, organizing, moving things. I haven't even gotten to the books yet. I got no books on my bookshelves in here yet. That's like low on the totem pole of things that need to get done. You have a cat compo called Trumpy. Trumpy the cat. I don't know where Pax Cat is. Haven't seen him since this morning. He's running a house, going from window to window to window, looking at all the squirrels and the chipmunks. We have a pretty decent day here in the 40s here in Boston. And the animals are coming out. So we've got a nice view out back of into the woods, a lot of squirrels. So Pax Cat was having a lot of fun with that. He's probably really tired. You're getting concerned about this bull run, the so-called bull run, Jets? I know a lot of people are. But if you want to make money, you got to believe. If you don't believe and you just sell out and say there's no bull market, and then when it happens, then what are you going to do? I mean, there's no guarantees here, but you want to make money, right? Caffeine thinks it's all hype. Probably some irrelevant companies. Yeah, that's what I was saying. B-list, right? Could be some B-lists. Where did you hear Sears? I didn't hear Sears. Imagine if the House of Doge partner news sends us $1 trillion market cap. Woo! Let's look for a dog pattern instead. Yeah. Hey, Sean, how are you? Please tell me Doge is not going to zero. Doge is not going to zero. That's easy one. Too big of a community. Doge is not going to zero. Hi, Khan, how are you? I don't remember you, dude. You sold at 33, great. Planning to buy at 16, you might not. If it doesn't go down there and it takes off, and you're out, when do you buy back in? Did anyone expect 3 months of ranging after that November election pump? I didn't. What's the house of Doge? Challenge accepted. You got to watch my video from yesterday. This one right here, called Dogecoin to Take Over the World. Watch that video, and then you'll know what the house of Doge is. It's in that video I talk about. Tron is in the green. You actually own Tron, Raiden? You a big Justin Sun fan? Tron. I guess you can make money on it. I've never been a fan. The billionaires who are watching me know what to do. Pullbacks are this extended, yes. Although this one's getting a bit long. I will admit that. We don't need this guy anymore. So we go to our bookmarks. And we go to gel. What's the last gel bookmark that I made here? There we go. Yeah, so 2024 for Bitcoin had a huge long pullback. Most of that was through the summer, though. This isn't the summer. That's the only difference with this one. But these are all during bull markets, and we still think Bitcoin is still in a bull market. Yeah, it looks like you're right, except for the one last summer. Not any pullbacks that are this extended. You're right, Jets. Sean bought 900 more Doge. Nice. Gavin, looking at that 20-cent range. You're only halfway to Dogecoin giveaway on the likes. We're only halfway. Green candles for a concert video, huh, Bruce?
All eyes on Doge. Big runner. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big runner. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge.
There we go. All right. Now let's get these green candles going. Except for you guys who want 20-cent Doge to buy more on a dip. It's like, you may not get that. You may not get that. How does this event affect Dogecoin? You mean the House of Doge and what the Dogecoin Foundation is doing? You got to watch that video from yesterday. Hey, Kurt, how are you? Giveaways coming up. Got a lot of likes to go, though. From Chile. Welcome, NRP. Visa and PayPal? No, Sean, we don't need Visa and PayPal. No. That's what X is doing with X money. They're doing Visa. PayPal doesn't even have Dogecoin. You can't even buy Dogecoin on PayPal. You can buy Bitcoin, you can buy ETH, you can buy Bitcoin Cash, you can buy Litecoin. You can't buy Dogecoin. So PayPal, not so good. But this is Doge to Doge. This is Doge wallet to Doge wallet is what this is. And so watch my video yesterday. What's the break-even price for Doge mining? Everybody's different. Everybody's different, Gavin. Depends on your energy costs. It's all tied into your energy costs. I probably won't be making money mining Dogecoin here in Boston unless while I'm mining, Doge is rocketing up in price. But with a steady price, I'm not making it. Not going to make it. I feel like retail is not really interested in crypto. Well, there's been a lot of bearish news. I mean, the whole Libra token, that was a big hit. The Bybit hack, that was a big hit. It's not great. King Zano has a room in the Doge house. The timing and the release of the House of Doge information was sus. I predict B team. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're going to be a little underwhelmed. Been thinking about that. It's like, yeah, probably not going to be great. We're going to be like, who? We're going to be like, who? What? Same in Minnesota with the weather. The birds are out. Novel, you're up in Lowell. Welcome. They mentioned sports teams or state. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, if it's like the Miami Marlins, they met in Miami. I don't know. That's what I was thinking. It's like, that's not really great. Miami Marlins. Brandon, single-digit Dogecoin. It's not in the cards, dude. It's just not in the cards. But hey, if you believe it, you can come back when it's in single digits and we just won't see you again. Destroy the like button. Raiden says, oh man, we're just not even close. 58 likes. And I'm going to be giving away Dogecoin at 100 likes. Long and strong. I like that, Sean. No other crypto has more back-end potential going forward than Doge. Doge does face a lot of resistance, but we've got, Doge needs its own catalyst to really go on runs. And the whole Elon with Trump thing, huge for crypto, huge for Doge. And then Elon just goes and spends all his time joking about the Department of Government Efficiency Doge, and it has nothing directly to do with Dogecoin. So rather disappointing there. Thus, we've had this like 3-month pullback. You might sell some ETH to buy Doge, Toss. ETH is about to really take off versus Bitcoin. That's what many of the analysts are saying. If you think so, Brandon, well, that would get it to 12 cents. Not anytime soon. If it goes up a bit more, then Tron is out. You're going to offer Dogecoin as a payment method? Yep. That's what our friend Charlotte is doing in Manchester, UK, with her business. She's accepting Dogecoin now. Good afternoon, Raul. How are you? Feels like the sell in May crowd sold earlier this time. Definitely feels like a summer lull. This is very similar to 2021, February and March. We'd already gone on a big run, and then it just went sideways. Unfortunately, the run for Doge was November into early December. And now here we are, late February, and it's still just kind of futzing around. We looked at the chart on the daily. We had this big downward channel, and now we've just been going sideways for the month of February. It's just been sideways, and we're still in that sideways zone there. Which we were doing back here in December, late December into early January. We were sideways there. And this is very similar. It's just lower. It's from about 32 cents to now like 25 cents. So that's what it's looking at. And there's no volume. There's no volume. Well, a big piece of Dogecoin news would really help the volume. The song will shake the bears out. Maxime, you've got a new investment strategy, DCA 420 Doge every week. Just buying Doge. 420, good number. So I did buy some Doge because I had some buying power left on Robinhood. And that was this order right here. So that was on Friday, 420 Doge at 24 cents. Woohoo! So I did buy some Doge, but more to come in March. More to come. Because I need to restack some Doge for what I think is going to be the next big bull run. Doge as a payment is mostly a meme. Why spend a volatile crypto? Again, it's like Doge has power, particularly if you bought it cheap. Like if you bought Doge at 10 cents and now it's at 24 cents, you've got 1.5 times the buying power. Well, 2.5 times, really. So if you were looking to buy those movie tickets to AMC, right, at $12 a ticket, well, you didn't actually pay $12, did you? If you bought Doge at 10 cents. You would have paid maybe $4 or $4.50 for each of those tickets. That's the power of Dogecoin. Right now, that's the power of Dogecoin. So you spend it. And it's fun. I mean, if you think it's done, right, and it's going to go back down, why not use it now? Part of it, though, is just like, that's what Doge is. Why is Doge not soaring, Jay? You tell us. I've already been talking about it for half an hour. Look at the chart. Wow, Brandon. Gee, I never look at charts. I must never look at charts. I never look at charts. I'm sorry. Weather Girl was dancing around during the concert. Well, she can come and dance at the dollar Dogecoin party, okay? I think we would all be dancing. Hey, Ziggy, did I say Dogecoin is soaring? Do people not understand me? Did I say Dogecoin is soaring? Dude, you just don't get it. I got more Doge at 24 cents, longer pullbacks, more buying opportunities. There you go, Greg. Wow. The bears are back today, and they're dumb bears too. They're dumb bears. Mick Gorilla, what is mining? So mining is when you have a proof of work cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Dogecoin. There are computers that are used to solve the mathematical equations every minute or 10 minutes, depending on what coin it is, in order to validate the transactions on the blockchain, secures the network, and then one of those miners does get rewarded with, in Dogecoin's case, 10,000 Dogecoin for taking part in the mining, validating the transactions, securing the blockchain. Proof of work. is what it is. Now, there are some proof of stakes like Solana. You can't mine Solana, right? It's not a proof of work cryptocurrency. Solana just mints new Solana out of thin air whenever they want. Same with XRP. Not a proof of work cryptocurrency. So that's what mining is. High level. There's a lot more detail to it, but in the middle of a live stream, high level, you can also ask Grok on X or ChatGPT about proof of work cryptocurrencies and mining in order to learn more. More in it to help with the blockchain. Me too. Me too. I've seen tiny dogs chase bears away. No wonder you pulled out. Ziggy, I sold to buy a new house. It was all about the house. If the house hadn't shown up, I wouldn't have sold. We'd still be waiting for the house to come along. Wow. I'm like, get me at least 50 cents, Jay says, and Brandon's, of course, says 50 cents isn't happening. Save your money. Well, Brandon, aren't you just a joy of sunshine on a Sunday? You and your horse. What about a small solar setup with a battery bank? Won't be enough. You won't get enough out of solar to run a full ASIC miner. It's gonna get better soon. Really wasn't expecting a lot of bears on a Sunday today. But the bears are going to be bears. Sonic, doing very well. What used to be Phantom, now Sonic. Greg, thank you for the super chat. Likes all around everyone. We're getting close to Dogecoin giveaway time. 93 likes. Let's go. Thank you, Greg. Appreciate it. Trump rugged the market. That wasn't great timing, that's for sure. That wasn't great timing. I kind of lost money on that deal because we knew we were buying the house, and I was waiting for that pre-inauguration day pump, and it didn't happen because of the Trump token. So now I just want Trump to like cut taxes, cut crypto taxes. That's what I want him to do now in order to make up for making that stupid Trump token. Sideways is better than down. That is true. Sunshine's now on Jill's computer. What is the best Doge miner? I don't know yet. I don't know, Sunshine. Going to start looking at that this summer. I can't afford one right now. I've got to pay my 2024 taxes still and put some money into Doge while Doge is at these prices before I buy a mining rig. I know, isn't that funny? That was Idris Boca. That was Idris who came on and said X money on the 21st. And we were like, yeah, right. Right, whatever. Nope. Will Elon comment on the House of Doge? Will Elon join the House of Doge? How about that? How about that? That's what we've been talking about, Poker Robot. So, yeah, half an hour ago, we went through the whole thing. March video will be on Saturday. Saturday. Do I really think honestly, Doge will hit a new all-time high. Nope. I don't honestly think so because I have no idea. But right now, Jay, I still believe in the 4-year cycles. I believe in the good news coming for Dogecoin, and Dogecoin's price is going to go up. Is it going to make 73 cents? Honestly, I don't know. It takes a lot of buying to get Doge from 24 cents to 73 cents. Is there going to be enough of that this year? I don't know. But if we make it to $1, I'm having a party. It's not inflating rapidly, Demure. It inflates as rewards to miners, right? It's not like it's just being made out of thin air like Solana tokens. The Dogecoins are being awarded to the miners. Yes, we will all dance at $1. Great. Yeah, the NGMI crowd is in. They do this every time, James, particularly when there are expectations for things to be up and they're not. Oh, and our friend Anthony's back. Hey, Anthony, how are you? Oh, now Doge is down to 1 penny. Wow. Awesome. So misunderstood. Good one, Montez. Yeah, I just wasn't even thinking about the Bears today, but here they are. Hey, the Bears can still win Dogecoin, though. They can still take part. Wouldn't it be funny? Wouldn't it be really funny if Anthony won the drawing? Wouldn't that be great? Let's all see if Anthony wins. Maybe if somebody gave him some Dogecoin. What do I plan for later? I'm going to do a Dogecoin giveaway now. Tomorrow is my birthday. We're having a KrissPax birthday Dogecoin live stream tomorrow. And then after that, I don't know. We'll see what happens. XRP is a proof of Chris Larson's bank account. Oh, yeah. I do not agree on a B team. I know. Well, we can look for the A team, but I don't know. I'm kind of on the B team kind of list here. It sounds good, but man, I don't know. Yeah, it was fortunate, Tim. I mean, if we had seen the house, or if the house had come on the market like a month earlier in December instead of January, I'd have a lot left over. But as it is now, I don't have a lot. I've got 400,000 Doge. I could have kept at least 1 million Doge. But that's the way it is. That's the way it is. The Bybit hack, tariffs, Ukraine war. Yep. Oh, Anthony, you're a liberal. You're a Democrat. I get it now. I get it. Anthony's a Democrat, guys. He's a left-leaning liberal. Elon's Doge wreaking havoc, causing people to go unemployed. You just don't get it. But hey, okay. Now I got you figured out. Now I got you figured out. You're a left-leaning liberal. Yeah, we'll get into the we'll get into the whole mining thing, John, another time. Yeah, Vance, I don't know about the notifications. Sometimes YouTube sends them out, sometimes not. Trump token back under $16. $15.93, I see. Yep. Yeah, we got red in the market today. You're making money on Dogecoin shorts? Jason, how are you? Deep breaths. And as I posted the other day, if this wasn't a bull market, that Bybit hack would have like crashed the market, and it really didn't. It really didn't. Maybe a bear will win the giveaway. I know. Giving away Doge, got to do it quick because in my opinion, it's going down much further. I hope you win, Anthony. I really do. I hope you win. Demure, you're not an Elon fan, I can tell. MB running 3 miners, 3 more on the way. Thank you, Oscar. Appreciate it. Doge ETF. Waiting for that money printer. Maybe X payments or X money. Tax cuts, stimmy checks. And the House of Doge. There's some good things coming. I don't have a crystal ball, dude. I'm just looking at the news, looking at the charts, and I'm like, yeah, we'll see you later, bears. Oh, DB, I get it all the time. Get it all the time. Always get accused of saying things that I didn't say. It just comes with the territory. It's like, whatever. And a lot of them are on the videos, and it's like, and they post a comment, and I'm just like, did you even watch the video? They just take it from the title of the video and they make a comment. They don't even watch the video. That's like this one today is, why isn't Dogecoin soaring? And somebody's accusing me of saying that Doge is soaring at 24 cents. And I was like, no, I didn't say that. It's just like, duh. Duh. Yeah, in California, mining wouldn't be worth it. I agree, John. And it won't in Boston, but I'm going to do it anyway just to learn and to support the Dogecoin network. So if I get some extra Doge out of it, all the better. It's exactly what happened in 2021, Anthony, before Doge went on a 3,000% run. That's exactly what was happening. I was here for it. But that's exactly what happened before Doge did a 3,000% run. But hey, you do you. You do you. I am young at heart, Blake. I'll just leave it at that. I'm young at heart. This boomer is into Dogecoin. Young at heart. I have 400,000 Doge left. Yep. I had almost 3 million. Demure. You haven't been here before, so you don't know what's going on. You can smell the blue hair. Yeah, exactly, Harry. Exactly. Exactly. All right. It's giveaway time, guys. You know what to do, right? You know what to do. Who's going to be the first one? It's going to be more than just a D. Micarella. Dogecoin with a capital D. Dogecoin with a capital D. Guys, we are going to do 3 giveaways of 33 Doge each. In order to enter, you type in the word Dogecoin with a capital D. That's what gets you into the list for the giveaway. Come on, Anthony, you got to do it. Dogecoin with a capital D. You can do it. You can do it. Demure as well. You can do it. You're welcome. Type in Dogecoin with a capital D. You have to be willing to send me your Dogecoin wallet in order to receive the Dogecoin. And you would do that by sending it to me at my email address, krisscrypto@gmail.com, which is right here on the screen, krisscrypto@gmail.com. Everybody who has won in the past has received their Dogecoin. So we have our giveaway tool, which is right here. This is our giveaway tool. We're doing the live stream titled, Why Isn't Dogecoin Soaring? I didn't say it was soaring. The match text is Dogecoin with a capital D. I will start collecting the comments now. We have over 50 entries already into the giveaway. We're going to do 3 giveaways on a Sunday afternoon, giving away Doge. Now give this a little time for those who are still typing in. Now, if you type in Dogecoin more than once in the chat, you still only get 1 draw, because they're pretty smart. You know, they said if there's a repeat name, it doesn't count as 2 draws. You only get 1. You only get 1. So, Dogecoin giveaway. 68. We're almost at 69. 69. 71. Anthony, he's joined. All right. Way to go, dude. All right. Anthony's going to win. Let's all make Anthony winner. And then the 33 Dogecoin is going to be worth what? 1 cent each. So 33 cents. Wow. Most ironic outcome. If Elon had his way, that would be it, right? The most ironic outcome. I wish I could manipulate this. Don't send me your Doge address now, anybody. No. You only send me your Doge wallet if you win. I just delete those emails if I get an email from someone sending me their Dogecoin. It happens every stream. Somebody just sent me their Dogecoin wallet. I'm just like, no. All right. Oh, Jay is in the running too. Awesome. Let's go, Jay. Yeah, only 1. Some people really want that Dogecoin. Yeah, no wonder there's so many Dogecoins in the chat, but yet they only, because there's all these duplicates. Tim, I have my ways. Okay? I have my ways. You also have to put in your email to me your YouTube name. So I know your YouTube name because your email address doesn't always match. You have to sell it straight away. Oh, so Anthony's going to get 33 Doge and then sell them. Okay. Yeah. And I say, if you put a lowercase d in there for Dogecoin, you're not going to win. It needs to be a capital D. That's how this works. All right. Are we ready? First giveaway of 33 Dogecoin goes to, here we go. King Zano. Unbelievable. Oh, that's too funny. He's the one who sent me his Doge wallet address already. He already sent me his wallet address. That's the email I got. It was King Zano. There's only one problem with your wallet here, King. It doesn't begin with the letter D. So you got to make one with the letter D. It's rigged. Totally, A-Star. It's totally rigged. He sent me his wallet address already. No. Don't everybody send me their wallet addresses. Don't do that. King, you're going to have to send me a wallet address, a Dogecoin wallet that begins with the letter D. Beginning with the letter T doesn't do it. We're supporting Dogecoin here, King, okay? So send me another email. Send me your Dogecoin wallet address that begins with the letter D. If you don't have one, just download the MyDoge app and create a new wallet with MyDoge, and that will be a Dogecoin D wallet. Okay? So do that. Okay, we're going to give our second giveaway here. We're going to draw again. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Who's going to win? Demi. Hey, Demi. Demi Gonzalez, winner number 2 of the Dogecoin. Congratulations, Demi. This is giveaway number 9. Just put on my list here. Giveaway 9. Kingzano. Demi Gonzalez. Congratulations. Send me your Dogecoin wallet. Demi. Congratulations. We've got one more giveaway here, guys. 33 Doge. And I'm not going to send it right now. I'm going to send it tonight. But I need you to send me your Dogecoin wallet via email in order for you to receive Doge. All right, third draw. Here we go. Come on, Anthony. Doug Curran. Doug Curran, Desert Storm veteran. Doug. Congratulations, Doug. Desert Storm veteran winning Dogecoin. That is awesome. That's awesome. My college roommate was a Desert Storm. He was a Air Force engineer, and he was part of the, what was it called? Like the Red Horse Squadron. And so they were the ones that would go into the desert and start setting up a camp and building roads and runways. Part of the Red Horse Squadron. That was my college roommate. He did that, and he was in Desert Shield and then stayed around for a second tour during Storm. That was my college roommate. But Doug, congratulations, and thank you for your service. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Doug Curran is the winner. And look at that. We got a green candle because of the Dogecoin giveaway. Look at that. A green candle because KrissPax is giving away Dogecoin. Look at that. Rigged. Of course, Anthony. Something that is totally random is rigged. Air Force 2, 7 months, Shield and Storm. Yeah. My college roommate was there too. Yeah, I think that was right. Red Horse. Well, congratulations, and thank you for your service. Market manipulation. Hey, if we see green candles every time I give away Doge, I should be giving away more Dogecoin, right? Pump those green bars. That's right. You served? Did you, Monica? You served? Awesome. Yeah, I had it up there earlier, Demi. I'll show you again. KrissCrypto@gmail.com. That's Kriss with a K, crypto with a K. KrissCrypto@gmail.com. Send me your Dogecoin wallet. And make sure in your email you also let me know that you are Demi Gonzalez. BlackRock owns the giveaway software. That wasn't just A-Star. That was from a few days ago. And it wasn't his idea. Someone else came up with the idea. But that was a couple days ago. And in fact, I believe I reposted that. Just to show you. That would have been... pretty sure I posted that. Dogecoin standard, the cat, the dump. Well, I don't see it on my thing, but we got green candles going. I missed it. I don't know how I went right by it. This was today's buy Bitcoin and Dogecoin. There's the FUD. There it is right there. Yes. Yesterday. This is awesome. Doge with an enforcement team called FAFO. Something like this could only happen with Elon Musk through the great posts on X during the Trump presidency. FAFO can be the enforcement arm of Doge. So that was yesterday. Not breaking news. Sorry, A-Star. Not breaking news. Giveaways are great, Greg. Thank you so much for your generosity again. We do have a lot of fun here. But thank you so much. Like the positive vibes. Doing only good every day. Ah, Anthony, the stuck word. You love it. You love it. Just ordered food thinking I was going to win. Now I need to do the dishes. Oh, stuck. Isn't that awesome? He's a player. Down and then up. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. There is a lot of uncertainty. There's negative news, but there's good news too. Just right now, a lot of it is being driven by the liquidations again, both long and short. So I fully expect Bitcoin to come up to 96.2 and 96.4 to take out these shorts, and then maybe do a dip down to like 94.3 to take out those longs. Again, that's how it works, guys. Up and down, take out the shorts, take out the longs. Go for the big ones. I know, MB, right? It's going to drop to a penny. A penny. Being unburdened by what has been. Uncertainty is sort of crypto in general. Yeah, the Bybit hack. That was a big one. Not great. There's still inflation, the economy. Not great. And now there's this new FUD about like the Silk Road Bitcoin that the United States owns. Is it still there? So that's going to be a big one you're probably going to hear about tomorrow. More importantly, what's for dinner? So last night we went out for a birthday dinner for me because Monday night, you can't go out Monday night. So we went out last night and we went over to Cambridge to a Thai restaurant called Sugar and Spice. Sugar and Spice. So good. We had so much food. We've got leftovers. So we're going to mix those leftovers in with like an Asian stir fry tonight. That's what's for dinner tonight. It's going to mix it all in so we get the good stuff left over from the restaurant in with some new stuff. And it will all taste like the restaurant food. That's our hope anyway. So it's an Asian stir fry with a lot of the Thai leftover from Sugar and Spice. That's what we're doing. That was so good. Oh, so good last night. Imagine they open up the Fort Knox vault and instead of gold, Elon surprises us with Dogecoin. Sorry. Sold all the gold. We now have wallets full of Dogecoin. That's a good idea, Anthony. We'll do that. We will do that. Start a poll. With your average Dogecoin price, are you now in the green? Even in the red. Good idea. Is your bag now? All right. Good idea. We started a poll. With your average Dogecoin price, is your bag now in the green, about even, or in the red? And be honest. Let's make this scientific. We'll be honest. That's a good idea, Anthony. Find out where people are. A Navy Seabee Vance, 2003 Iraq. Thank you for your service as well. I'm glad Doug won. I think that's awesome. Comrade Harris. Wait till the end of the month when the tariff deadline FUD pops up again. Oh, here we go. Yep. Here we go again. God. Rinse and repeat. Lasagna, Charles says. Sundays are good lasagna days, aren't they? We've had lasagna on Sundays before. It's a good hearty meal. You're not a loss until you sell. That is true. All right, Demi, gotcha. You had Thai last night too, Compo? Oh, so good. I know, right? So good. You like the pad Thai? I used to eat pad Thai, and now it's just like too sweet. I usually go down the menu and try out some new things. I like more of the spice, so I go for. I mean, Miss KrissPax, she had the red curry. The red curry was good, but even there, the Thai curries are a little sweet, not like the Indian curries, in my opinion. But I went for they were like these pork bellies with Chinese broccoli over rice with a hot pepper sauce. Oh, so good. Yeah, I know who you're talking about, CDC. I know who you're talking about. Love Thai food. The tom yam soup. Only if you bought high are you stuck. The mango sticky rice. The stick. Everyone likes the sticky rice. Why downstairs? I don't know what you mean, Pat. I don't know how much Doge Elon holds. He says he owns some Bitcoin, some Doge, and a little ETH. Imagine there was no gold in Fort Knox. Vision got you depressed? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with VP. He's like stuck on this whole bear theme, and it's like spreading to other people who believe it, and I don't. I'm not giving away peak. No, peak is a long-term hold. You're comfortably in the red, TB. I know CDC Survivor is here and still hasn't acknowledged the Super Bowl yet. But I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to push it. I'm just going to turn around and give it away. Every crypto you have is in the red. It's all about timing, DB. It's all about timing. And you learn. You learn this cycle, and then next cycle, you buy in the bottom of the bear market, and you feel better about yourself. More chicken parm, you guys, and your chicken parm again. Chicken parm. I'm going to come down there someday. I'll just come knocking on your door. I don't know where you live. Chicken parm, though. Mostly red, but you got a couple in the green. You like the Penang yellow? Yeah, an Indian restaurant. That's really good. Pad Kratya. I don't know what's in that. You like the pho? Sometimes a pho soup is great. Drunken noodles. Yeah, they had drunken noodles. I didn't get that. I've gotten that before, though. So the tunnel didn't collapse, Yumfo. There was a panel on the ceiling that fell, and it didn't even hit a car. It went between cars. Two cars hit the panel, and got a little messed up. Nobody died. Nobody hurt. The tunnel collapsed. It's like, no, it's not a tunnel collapse. Barely in the green, but it's green. Spinach lasagna. I bought my Doge in early 2021. Average price is really low. New house. The hair, yeah, it was a while ago. I got the cut. But thanks. Boy, everybody's got a specialty, huh, that they like. The lamb southern Thai green curry. You like the lamb? Yeah, lamb's good. Ethereum, still in the green. Holding 2,800. Holding 2,800. ETH. And of course, Bitcoin dominance has been slowly drifting. Oh, it's up a little bit earlier this afternoon. You have to zoom out and look at it a little more zoomed out, but there's our two cats that we've been watching the cats. Overall, Doge is still pretty much sideways. Pretty much sideways. CDC, you sent me a super chat. Thank you. Now I got to buy Doge with it so I can give away the Doge. It's 42 Doge. But thank you. Okay, guys, 42 Doge. You know what to do. You know what to do. CDC came through. This one's on CDC. You know what to do. 42 Dogecoin for this one. More than, and I'm giving it away. Thank you. CDC has been redeemed. Unburdened at last. Yes. Unburdened at last. This one is for 42 Dogecoin, guys. I already closed out of that last one. So if you put Dogecoin in the chat earlier, you're not in this drawing for 42. You got to put it in again for 42 Dogecoin for this one. And this is from the Super Bowl win for Philadelphia. Is what this one is for. It's giving away Doge. Giving away Dogecoin. Okay, one more minute, and then we're going to move on. One more minute, Doge. Get your Dogecoin in there. Everybody ready? All right, here we go. Here comes the draw. 42 million in the not too future. There's the draw. Who's going to get 42 Dogecoin? Oh, Anthony, you were close. You were so close. You were within two people. It's Charles. Anthony was close on that one. Charles, 42 Dogecoin. Congratulations. Send me your Dogecoin wallet address, Charles, and you will get 42 Dogecoin. Even better than the 33 I was giving away before. And thank you, CDC. Appreciate it. Right. Of course. Yeah, biggest winner yet, 42 Doge. That's what Dogecoin's about, guys. It's just about having fun, spreading the love of Dogecoin. I know, Yeely, you were close too. I saw your name. Yep. You were close too. Maybe next time. Soul food. I have not been at a particular soul food kind of restaurant, but I have had soul food before. Yes, much wow. Winning. Pan, I am only buying Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Only Bitcoin and Dogecoin. You request an audit. Greg is offering 69 Doge to Anthony. Anthony, can we make that happen? Anthony, you send me your Dogecoin wallet. You're going to get 69 Doge. All right, Anthony? You send me your Dogecoin wallet address, Anthony, you will be getting 69 Dogecoin. How about that? And I dare you, Anthony, I dare you to not sell the Dogecoin because it's not costing you anything to get it, okay? So tell us you're going to hold the 69 Doge, okay? And then when the price goes up, like I predict, then you can say, okay, Kriss, you were right. I want to hear that from you. All right, Anthony, send me your Dogecoin wallet. I know. We're just having fun. It's cool. An audit, I know, right? We'll be seeing, RK. I mean, when this whole news comes out about the House of Doge and what all this is about, are we going to get a pump on that? I don't know. I've been predicting the fall. We just don't know. Well, the real Anthony side, please stand up. Please stand up. We will see. That we will see. I double dog dare Anthony not to sell. At the beginning, a bunch of names show up so fast, Conrad, you can't see them all. It's only when it starts slowing down can you really see the names. And there were like 70 in the draw for the last one. Thank you, Greg. We'll see. So the German elections look like they went to the Conservative Party, not AfD. But I think the prediction markets had called that one right. Doge to 2 cents. Yeah. No, not 1 cent. No, 2 cents. Let's just see what happens. I know, Greg. We will see. I'll let you know. Someday, Levi. Someday. Yeah, but there are some countries who aren't backing down on their liberal views of things, particularly with immigrants. I'm just surprised. It's like with the whole wave of what's going on here in the United States, I would think that that would be repeated. In the UK, you still have people getting arrested for posting opposing views on social media. And it's like, what? What are we doing? What are we doing? AFD coming in second is very interesting indeed. $69 Doge at 24 cents. That's what the deal is, Anthony. I'll take it if you don't need it, Jay says. Billy Marcus said for Doge to be integrated in payments would take 3 to 4 years. Well, I think that's all sped up now Omer, because of what the Dogecoin Foundation has been doing in order to much more easier integrate. So they've been working on the back end of Dogecoin to make it easier to integrate. So that work has been going on. You just got an ad for crypto sports gambling. I don't know. Levi, I can't predict exact times, but we will be over 26 cents. Yeah, Malay gave Elon the chainsaw as a gift. So the photo you see is Elon accepting the gift from Malay and waving the chainsaw around. So yeah, we will wait. So what's going on with our poll? What does this look like? Wow, it's actually pretty close. It's a very close poll. I would say that's pretty half and half. Anthony, I would say that's just about half and half. That's where people are right now with 24-cent Doge. Well, right now, Sally, we're concerned about tomorrow with if there's going to be news about the Silk Road Bitcoin. Is it still there? I don't know when the Fort Knox gold thing is going to happen. We still have high inflation. There's still a lot of things that can happen, but yeah, Johnny, I'm in the new house. See the new background? New background, new house. The game studio is going to be awesome. Will Doge be used within a game? That's kind of interesting. That's kind of interesting to have Doge used in a game. Okay, Charles, you want to donate your Doge to Dogecoin to the moon? We can do that. We're still working on that. Updates coming soon. So I'll put that on here. Donating to Dogecoin to the moon. Awesome. So that means CDC indirectly donated to Dogecoin to the moon. No, you don't have to send me anything, Charles. Your note here is good. Yeah, as Greg says, Dogecoin to the moon is in progress. We will give you updates soon. A-Star feeling very bearish here. Probably a daily dumping of Doge tomorrow. Awesome. It's the same thing as stocks too, Levi. Buying stock, buying crypto. If you think crypto is gambling, so is buying stock. It's gambling. Been done for over 100 years. Still doing it. Yeah, the poll was pretty close. So half of you are in the green, half in the red. With some just right in the middle there. CDC to the moon. Thanks, Raiden. Yeah, CDC's all right. I didn't give him a hard time about the Super Bowl. But he was MIA for a little while. And we were all just wondering, so CDC kind of skipped town there. All right. Yeah, I don't know if there's really much going on between Doge and Sheep now. They're really completely different. Your heating broke down? Sorry to hear that. Hopefully it's not too cold where you are. Anthony, I've shown it 3 times, but here it is again. KrissCrypto@gmail.com. That's KrissKrypto. KrissCrypto@gmail.com. And I promise I will keep email addresses, names, or anything else associated with it just between you and me. Blake, I'll tell the whole story soon about, we'll call it the old house, sure. So much market manipulation. It's not just the whales, though. It's the market makers and the exchanges manipulating as well. It's crypto. It is what it is. Yeah, AR, you're just going to have to scroll back to the start of the stream. I covered it all in the first 20 minutes. Not going to repeat it for you. Anthony wants the Doge because he's going to hodl 69 Dogecoin through the next bull run. That's what he's going to do. He's going to hodl it. Oh, Sally, the bears have been all over. We had more bears earlier. The Doge OS will be the app incubator, a launch pad for app and gaming creators. Yeah, kind of like the Telegram game, sure. Using Dogecoin instead of Toncoin. Exactly. It could be good. We'll see. Appreciate it, Charles. Thank you. Called emergency heating services. I invested in both XRP and SOL during this bull run. I sold both of them. I made some money on them. On each of them, I didn't buy at the best time because, let's just say, well, on SOL I did, but I sold it early and flipped it over to Cardano, and Cardano did not go on as big of a run as SOL did. But I sold my Solana for profit. I made money off it. And XRP was just recently because, remember, I was calling XRP a stable coin. But I made some money on XRP as well. And I'm done. I will never buy either of those again. Aave. I made a lot of money on Aave. Is it unpopular? No, it's just kind of under the radar. It's a great project. I did a 4X on Aave. And I sold it, and it's now, proceeds went into this house. Yeah, Anthony should become part of the family. I think so. XRP is up 3 cents in the last 4 hours. I'm selling. Is XRP turning into a stable coin now? Right around 250. That's where it's been, right? For quite a while. We can probably keep scrolling back. Yeah, since November, since December 2nd. December 2nd is when XRP hit $2.50. And now here we are, the end of February, and XRP is at $2.50. It's turning into a stable coin again, guys. XRP. It's turning into a stable coin. Just like that. There it is. Had a nice little run up to $3.36 and then all the way back down. There's XRP. Turning into a stable coin again. When people give me crap about it, I don't care. I don't care. Seen more green candles on Dogecoin since the giveaway. That's nice. Thank you, Anthony. Got it. Awesome. And it begins with the letter D. Awesome. You have got a Doge. Yeah, everybody. Anthony has a Dogecoin wallet. He's got a Dogecoin wallet. Do only good every day. Stephen, there's some chatter going on between Elon and Trump and others. Most of it is around this idea that the Doge team, Department of Government Efficiency team, is rooting out a lot of the waste and the fraud and the abuse in the US government. And they're saving billions of dollars, right? I mean, we can go to the debt clock, right? Let's do that here really quick. US debt clock, right? So right now, according to the US debt clock, the Department of Government Efficiency has rooted out $129 billion. $129 billion they have saved in US government. I mean, the national debt is still 36 trillion, but 129 billion in a month. It's actually been less than a month since they've actually been working on this. So the talk is, well, what do you do with this, right? Saving money. That means that us taxpayers have paid $129 billion of our hard-earned tax money on waste, fraud, and abuse. And the idea was maybe the US taxpayers should see some of that money back. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. Most likely it's not going to be paid in Dogecoin. But it would be cool if it was. But there's some talk about maybe a stimulus check going back to US taxpayers based on that. Because we're the ones who were paying taxes, and our taxpayer dollars were being wasted into these stupid programs or in these stupid, I mean, who knows what else, right? Whatever they're finding. They post it all on X. You can read it all. You can just go on X and you can go to @Doge. And there's more and more stuff going on there that is just unbelievable. And you can just read it all right here, Department of Government Efficiency. And they just post all of the stuff that they're rooting out. Let's see. $30,000 for Malaysia study tour facilitation services. $265,000 for a food and nutrition service. 3-day leadership retreat in Atlanta. And they just go on and on and on. The USGSA just sold the old Webster building in DC for $4.1 million. And you just go on and on and on. $324,000 grant for increasing DEIA programming for integrated pest management. What's that? the Doge USDA team, $324,000 grant for increasing DEIA programming for integrated pest management. It's just like unbelievable what our tax dollars were going to. So the idea is, hey, let's give some of that back. Let's see. You've got BYD up 45%. Do you pull it out and reinvest? I did a few swing trades with stocks that turned out very well. MicroStrategy, DJT stock. That helped pay for the house as well. ADA and Algo. Yearly. I owned both. I sold both. I made profits on both. Where does it go from here? I think Algorand has a bigger potential at 25 cents than Cardano does at 76 cents. But that's just me. AJ Writes Crypto is huge into Algo. It's a great project. Once they landed something big, if I do not receive the 69 Doge, then it's rigged. Anthony, you're going to get your Doge tonight. Wow. Okay. You'll get your Doge. You now officially have a Dogecoin wallet and you can't wait to lose the next one. It's all good. It's all good, DB. Yeah, Kumaro. Happy Sunday to you. Anthony has a Dogecoin wallet and he will have 69 Doge in it come tonight. Hey, right. Anthony the Bull. Welcome to the Doge family. Absolutely. And maybe he'll get a check mark. Yeah. Maybe. Soon, Anthony, you will feel the glory of positive thinking. You've taken your first step in a larger world. I will, Stephen. Keep you informed. Now they can afford to fix the roads. Well, they always had the money to do it. They were just spending the money on other things. You would think that a big infrastructure bill, which was Biden's big thing, right? Big infrastructure bill would actually fix the roads. No, the money was going to all this other crap. Crazy. Hey, Aussie, good morning. How are you? Well, of course. It would actually do create inflation, Will. A little bit. It's not huge. I tried swing trading once and got stuck. Sold your XRP for peak and the rest says, yeah, peak's gonna be a while. I shall win the next one. Levi, I have about 400,000 Doge now. I had about 2.8 million. I've got about 400,000 now. Yeah, what is Aave looking like now, Valdemaris? I haven't looked at it in a while. 245. So here's where it touched 400, December 16th. I bought it way back here, April 2023 at $68. That's where I bought Aave. April 2023. Oh, I got to get you out of the way here. Here we go. Yeah, because I have my little circles here. So that's where I bought it right there. $68. And sold it for, it was right on February 2nd. Yeah, February 1st. So it was around $300. So from 68 to 300. So that's like 4.5x. So from there, it's now 245. Will it double from here? I don't know. Just getting back to $400 could be a challenge for Aave. It's held up pretty well overall. The Doge just going sideways. There's no huge drop in Doge. It's going sideways. There's some ups and downs, but overall it's a sideways. Get rid of my name there. But since I've been giving away Dogecoin, we've been having green candles. How about that, guys? That's nice. That's nice. We're almost the end of February. 40 cents is not looking as likely. Not looking as likely, Jay. Hey, SP, how are you? Only up, Braden, right? Yeah, that's what Greg said earlier. It's like you start giving away Dogecoin, and the Doge gods like that. The Doge gods like that. Overall, we were looking at like Trader Allen and his like repeat of 2017 to 2025, saying, hey, we were at the same kind of retracement angle before in 2017, and we've done almost the same exact thing here. Does that lead, following the 4-year cycles, to that next big move? And then he followed that up with the one that we got rid of because we were looking at Department of Government efficiency stuff. So he followed that one up with this one, which is looking at the 4-year cycles and how there's a markdown, bear market, recovery, reset, mark up, bull, markdown, bear, recovery, reset, mark up, bull, mark down, bear, a recovery. But this recovery included this big run here we had in November. He's calling that recovery. Now markup. Kind of. But it still shows the 4-year cycles. We gave a bear some Doge, only up from here. I haven't given it to him yet. Tonight, after the stream. My dream is for Doge to retire me, so I can say Dogecoin has been very good to me. And it's also been very, very good to me. Well, I have this to show for it back here, which wasn't all Doge. It was a lot of other cryptos as well. A lot of Jasmy here. Aave's here. Doge to Neptune. I haven't heard that one, Bruce. Why not? Poor Pluto. I mean, yeah, come on. Poor Pluto. Yeah, well, MJ and Momtaz got banned, so unless they're hanging out under a new alias. No, that hadn't do anything with Elon. When it's free money, the up and down game is irrelevant. It may just inspire a bit of stacking. One foot in front of the other. Exactly, Craig. Exactly. Life is full of ups and downs. It is. And if you get all worried and bothersome on the downs, you're not going to make it. Danny is not a Trump fan, but you do understand that Dogecoin broke from 10 cents, right, all the way up to 40 cents because Trump won the presidential election. You do know that, right? So if Trump hadn't won and it was Kamala, Doge would be at 10 cents. You do know that, right? When's the bull run coming, bro? Exactly. Mark's holding sideways at the moment. Good things coming. I hit a Doge block mining today, but unfortunately I wasn't solo mining. Just thought I'd share since you mentioned getting into it. Yeah. But that's good. I'll probably join a pool. I'm probably not going to solo mine. I will probably join a pool. But that's going to be this summer. I'm going to start looking at that. Maybe Trump can do an executive order and bring Pluto back. Wouldn't it be the most outright outcome if Anthony was MJ? Doesn't have the same vibe, but I can't get anywhere on FPDS. I think too many people are looking at how much Doge is saving. You're a big Trump supporter. I thought he would really help crypto out, but he got greedy, released his own coin. That was not a great move. He should have just left that alone. Again, JHL, it's the market makers. And the exchange is going after all those leverage traders. That's the manipulation. The Kamala token would be like 0.00001. I think he's going to kind of help crypto out, Monica. I don't think it's going to be a true like all in on crypto. He does like the US dollar. He's going to support some sort of stable coin that's going to be the digital dollar, not a CBDC, but a stable coin. And a lot of people aren't going to like it. Does he do a Bitcoin strategic reserve? Probably. That's probably going to be done. But I don't think it's going to be an all-out endorsement of crypto. Now, Tim Stebbing was kind of hinting that there's some government involvement in his project. I don't know what that means. Again, we just have to wait. But he did hint that there was some kind of government involvement. That whole Kamala thing would have been a mess. The unrealized gains tax, God. And it would have been Gary Gensler, anti-crypto army, Liz Warren, like all of that. But that is all behind us now. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, Vishnu. Can't think that way. Can't think that way. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. You can only think about what you can do now about it. Do you think Dogecoin's going to go back up or not? That's what you can think about. That's the way you keep your sanity, right? Because if you keep thinking like that, you're not going to make it. I've made more in 8 months than I have in 20 years of investing in stocks. I'm more likely to liquidate my stocks to help get out of debt than I am to cashing my crypto. I've made more in the last 2 years than I've made in my entire life. How about that? With crypto, I've made more in the last 2 years than I've made in my entire life. And I now have a house paid for in cash. Thank you. Couldn't have done it without it. Rename Pluto to America. When am I going to be out of Doge? Never. I'll always hold Dogecoin. I will take some profits again. I still have 400,000 Doge. I will be buying more starting next month. And we'll take some profits, but I won't sell all of my Doge. You never know what's going to happen, particularly with Elon. Exactly, Greg. No, shoulda, woulda, couldas. Can you explain the mining? Yeah, we're going to do a whole series on mining over the summer. We're going to do Dogecoin mining. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm learning as well. I've never mined Dogecoin. So we're going to go through the whole step of the way. We're going to research miners. We're going to explore what the options are. I'm going to get a miner. I'm going to show how I set it up. I'm going to talk about mining pools versus solo mining. We'll go through it together. I've not done this, so this will be new. I'm still calling Pluto a planet too. I don't care what others call it. I still call it a planet. I know it's got some weird orbit that's different than the way the other planets go. All of that stuff, I don't care. It's still orbiting the sun. I call it a planet. Yeah. The market is bearish. Sentiment is low. Exactly, Rieso. Along with the Bybit hack and all this other unknown FUD about like the Silk Road Bitcoin. Is it still there? Lost my camera. I lost my camera. What happened to my camera, guys? We're going without me right now. Toot, toot, toot. I'm back. Just like that. The cat unplugged it. I went to Pluto. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, House of Doge. Exactly, Weather Girl. Well, TMF I did sell, but I don't come here and shill like all of this other stuff. Every once in a while, someone asks me like, what crypto exchanges do you recommend? And I do point to Coinbase, Robinhood, and Crypto.com because I do have affiliates with them, and I have links in the description below. But I actually use these. Those are the three that I trade on. But I don't have like all this other stuff. There are ads that play during my live streams. That's part of YouTube and Google. But that's it. Thank you, Bruce. You're looking at mining too? Never done it before? Yep. We'll be getting into that this summer. Yep. And we'll stream as well. It'll be kind of weird because my miner is not going to be in my office. It's going to be in the basement. Maybe I'll do a special KrissPax house basement live stream from the basement, right? That'll be good, right? It'll be like, whoa, check out the basement. But yeah, that's where the miner will be. It'll be down there. It's a pretty decent basement, actually, as basements go. It's pretty decent. And that's what happens, SP, too. Is like some giant like news hits, the price totally changes. And then you look back and you just go, we were all worried at 24 cents for nothing. If I'm able to make enough to buy a miner, would you buy one too? There are many out there. I'm confused. Me as well, Art Scholar. Same thing. There are many out there. I haven't really done a deep dive into it yet, though. So we'll look at that. The Doge. Are you talking about the Doge website, Adam? I haven't looked at the Doge website. Doge.gov. Latest work. Oh, so these are just the posts from X, but they've got these other things up here. Savings. Wow. Top 10 agencies, USAID, Department of Education, Office of Personnel Management. The wall of receipts. It's just dollars. They've been going after the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. An annual subscription to Politico. Annual subscription to Politico Pro. So they were doing Politico as well. And so same with Consumer Financial Protection Bureau was paying for a subscription to Political Pro. And the Washington Post. No, not anymore. Real estate, Department of State, Department of Justice. Wow. They are showing receipts. Agency spending. Here's the overall workforce of the US government. Kind of interesting. No, they're going to be working on regulations too. Wow, they got a lot of stuff on that website. I haven't seen that before. Why crypto down, Dev? Yeah, we've been talking about that. Uncertainty in the market still, inflation still is a pain. You've got your miner in your unheated porch, Adam. Oh, yeah, my dungeon. Live streaming from KrissPax dungeon. Thoughts on Sheep? I don't know if Sheep's ever going to run. I gave up. I sold. I made a profit. Not as big a profit as I would have liked, but yeah, I don't see anything going on. Pax miner to keep the Pax cat warm. We prefer he doesn't go in the basement. He's been down there. He's checked it out. But then we close the door to the basement and we don't know if he's down there or not. I'd just rather not have to deal with that. Be interesting on what you have to spend to get a mining rig versus how profitable. Well, I mean, my cost per kilowatt hour here is outrageous in Boston. So, but I'll share all the data and we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's the best way to do it. Just write the dot out, doge.gov. Exactly, Adam. That works. When is the big news? Tim said March. So we wait till March. Wish I had more money to buy more Doge. I'm all in. I'm going to be... Oh, click see more. Big list. Yeah, everybody can look at that. Doge.gov. How's Jasmine doing? See, I don't own any Jasmine anymore, so I don't keep up with it as much. 2 cents. It's just holding on to 2 cents. 208. Again, I sold at 3. Back up here. That was on the Saturday the 1st. I sold at 3 cents. Yeah, this is looking Not great. Just downward. But then, I mean, everything is in an overall downward trend. But that's the whole market. I mean, kind of, and Jasmine is just following the market. Low volume, just not much going on. Not much going on with Jasmine right now. Doge has been more sideways, except for the last week. Well, we had some green candles going. I should do more giveaways. No, I'm done with giveaways today. Considering setting my son up at his lemonade stand to accept Dogecoin. He's got the Square app. Nice. Snafu Avenue. How are you? Reverse cat pattern. And as always, 1 Doge equals 1 Doge. That's Aussie there. Better find some more money if it dips to 20 cents. No new big money. There's a lot sitting on the sidelines still, Anthony. A lot of money still sitting on the sidelines. Jay, Elon is not thinking about Dogecoin. It's all about U.S. government, Department of Government Efficiency. And then he dips into Tesla and dips into SpaceX and dips into the Boring Company every now and then. But most of his effort is all U.S. government. Hey, John, how are you? Well, we're waiting for Tim Stebbings' follow-up from the Dogecoin Foundation on these partnerships and these deals and what is SuchPay and how it's going to get integrated into all these big deals. So we're waiting to hear that. He says it's coming, so that's what we're waiting for. Okay, with that, guys, I'm going to call it a stream. Look, we got some big stuff coming this week. I don't know what's going to happen with this Silk Road Bitcoin FUD thing. We may be hearing about that tomorrow. We'll see. For Doge, we're all just kind of waiting. So yeah, a little weakness in the market. Stock market probably is going to be a little weak too. So I just expect Doge to just be going sideways for a bit. So we'll see how that goes. I hope everyone has a great Sunday evening or Monday morning, like Aussie has already started his Monday. We'll see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.